2021, people shown more love towards electric vehicles, especially a common man break up with petrol scooters and shift towards electric for savings. But people are waiting desperately for these 8 electric scooters. At number 8, Vespa Elettrica. The metal finished Vespa Elettrica is an aesthetic beauty to ride. It has a range of 100 kilometers and run with a top speed of 70 km per hour. Comes with detachable battery option. The Vespa Elettrica in 2021 with an estimated price of 1.3 lakh rupees. At number 7, Mahindra Gusto Electric. Mahindra started working on electric scooters way back in 2017. Even Anand Mahindra tweeted about this electric scooter as well. The Mahindra Gusto estimated range is 80 kilometers with a price of 1 lakh rupees and it is expected to launch in 2021. At number 6, Bajaj Chetak. Even though Bajaj Chetak is launched in Pune and Bengaluru, other state Chetak lovers are waiting for its launch. Bajaj Chetak is a premium electric scooter. The scooter has a top speed of 69 km per hour along with a range of 95 km on a single charge. Chetak electric scooter price starts from 1.15 lakh rupees and it is expected to launch in Chennai and Hyderabad in 2021 and remaining states by 2022. At number 5, Yamaha EC05. Developed in partnership with Gogoro, the Yamaha EC05 is a stylish electric scooter from Yamaha. This scooter is already available in Taiwan. The EC05 has a top speed of 95 km per hour and a range of 100 km and the lithium-ion battery pack is detachable. The EC05 is expected to launch in 2022 with an estimated price of 1.3 lakh rupees. At number 4, Bergman Street Electric. It is the most awaited electric scooter from Suzuki. The design of this electric scooter is same as the Burgman Street 125cc. The electric scooter expected specs 80 km per hour top speed, 90 to 110 km of range and a 3 kW motor. This electric scooter is expected to launch in 2021 with an estimated price of 1.2 lakh rupees. At number 3, TVS Crayon. TVS Crayon is a high performance electric scooter from TVS Motor. This electric scooter is expected to launch in 2021. Crayon has a range of 80 km which can run with a top speed of 115 km per hour and it has a motor peak power of 10 kilowatts and it supports fast charging where it can be 80% charge in 60 minutes and TVS Crayon gets power from a 4 kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack. And the estimated price of this scooter is 1.4 lakh rupees. At number 2, Simple Mark II. It is one of the most hyped electric scooters for the year 2021. Claimed as 240 kilometers of range with a top speed of 100 km per hour with an acceleration of 50 kph in 3.6 seconds, Simple Mark II grabs the youngsters' attention in India. With smart features like GPS navigation and Bluetooth connectivity along with detachable battery, Simple Mark II is expected to launch in June 2021 with an estimated price of 1.2 lakh rupees. At number 1, Ola App Scooter. Ola App Scooter is the most awaited scooter for 2021. The App Scooter to have a range of 75 to 150 kilometers and the top speed lies between 45 kph to 95 kph. The electric scooter supports hypercharge where 50% can be filled in just 18 minutes and it is expected to launch in 2021 with an estimated price of 1 lakh rupees. So friends, comment your favorite electric scooter and for genuine information about EVs, please subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. Go green, go electric.